Okay children, today's lesson is, welcome again in English class. Today's lesson is lesson number 2, naming words. We have already done some of the work in naming words. Rest of the exercises we will do today. This is your lesson number 2, naming words. We have studied about the groups of naming words: animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, workers, parts of the body, clothes, days of the week, months of the year. That we have already done. This exercise we had done in our previous class. Today we will do this exercise. We have to look at the picture and complete the spelling of the words in the box. The boxes are given here. So you have to complete the spellings given in this box and look at this picture. Like the first one, it is, you have to fill it with double E or double O. First one is boot. So you will write B-O-O-T, boot. Second one is knee. So here you will write K-N-E-E. So children, as you have seen from these two examples, you have to fill in either double O or double E in this spell to complete the spelling. Next one is stool. So here you will write S-T-O-O-L, stool. Then this sleep. So you will write sleep. Next one, weep. So you will write weep, double E. Then 3. Rest of the exercise I have already done, so I will repeat it for you. 3 after 3, 7th word is B, B-double-E. Then 8th one, roots, R-double-O-T-S. 9th one, tool, T-double-O-L. 10th, tree, T-R-double-E. Then foot, F-double-O-T, foot. Next one, jeep, J-double-E-P, jeep. Then wheel, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Then spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Then sweet, S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Then moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Then last one is balloon, B-A-L-L, fit double O and then N. This is how you will complete this exercise in your book. The next exercise that you will do is, you have to look in the picture and complete the words in the box with OU or OW. Children, here you have to fill in either OU vowels or OW vowels. Like the first one, it is out. So write down O-W-L, out. Next one, this is tower, T-O-W-E-R, tower. Third one, cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Next, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Then mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Shower, S-H-O-W-E-R. This exercise you will do in your book. Next exercise is, you have to fill in the vowels E-A or A-I. These vowels you have to fill in to complete the spellings. Okay, again, this is the picture of not the monkey but the tail. So T-A-I-L, tail. Next one, hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Next one, nail, N-A-I-L, nail. Then pear, P-E-A-R, pear. Then bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Then leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Then rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Then train, T-R-A-I-N, train. And the last one is chair. So children, complete these exercises Then the last exercise of this lesson is choose the suitable words to make the meaningful pair. Here you have been given the options. From these options you have to choose the correct word and fill in. Tables and chairs like, then hands and feet. So fill in feet. Sheep and goats. Uncles and aunts. Knives and forks. Next exercise I have already done for you. Fruits and vegetables. Lock and key. Sons and daughters. Men and women. Gold and silver. Next one. Friends and enemies. Pepper and salt. Doctors and nurses, temples and mosques, parents and children. And the last exercise of this lesson is cups and saucers, pens and pencils, arms and legs, ladies and gentlemen, bread and butter. So this is all in this lesson. Children, complete this lesson, revise this lesson, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you.